guys, like I said before, I said this skincare product is a product that I know very well. I've used it and I know lots of women that are still using this product at the moment, and this product is amazing. It's awesome. You're gonna love it. So this product is no other product than mine. The Marykay the Marykay 3D Time Wise. Ta-da! The Marykay 3D Time Wise Age Minimizer. Let me just give you this is age minimizer. So guys, I call it my skincare product brand because I'm a beauty consultant, and so I sell a lot of these products. I talk to women about beauty. I recommend skincare products for them. So I'm a beauty consultant at the Marykay skincare product. So guys, if you want to see this product, sit back and continue watching this video. So this product is the Marykay Time Wise Age Minimizer set. So I have this the cleanser. This is the cleanser, the 3-in-1 cleanser. I don't know if you can see it very well. This product is so nice, guys. I've been using this product for a while. This product is Age Minimizer 3D 4-in-1 cleanser. This is a 4-in-1 cleanser, guys. Like, this cleanser cleans your skin, it purifies your skin. It has this little pills inside to help you like exfoliate your skin at the same time, and it regenerates your skin tissues, your skin cell tissues. Sorry guys. So this is the first step. In the morning or evening, you use this to wash your face, pat dry, and go ahead with a day cream. This is the second step. This is the day cream. This day cream is the Age Minimizer. So guys, this day cream is so nice. So number 3 on my list is night cream. Is also amazing because this is the night cream. It helps to repair the cell tissues of the skin at night. So before you wake up in the morning, you have this glowing, beautiful skin. So guys, this is the third on my list, and this is so nice, guys. Trust me, it moisturizes your skin, it repairs your skin, and it helps to unify your complexion. Like, this is so nice. Just give it a try and tell me what you think about it. If you would love to give it a try, drop your comment in the comment section and I will get back to you. So the last but not the least in this product is the eye cream. This eye cream is the most smallest and it works wonders. So I've been using this. You can see it's at this place now. This eye cream is so nice. This eye cream will just like the whole product set to like take you, it will take your age a little bit. Your appearance will not look your age. Like, it minimizes your age. It makes you look younger than your age. So this product is so nice. So this eye cream help for this under eye circle or the puffiness, the under eye puffiness. So if you know you are this person that is suffering from under eye circle or this puffiness of the eye, or you have tired eyes, guy, try out this eye cream. You might decide not to get all the products. You can get just the day cream and the eye cream, or the night cream and the day cream and the eye cream. You can decide to use any other cleanser. So, or you can decide to get the complete range, and it's so nice. It's affordable, it's long lasting, guy. You can use this for three months. You can use this product, the whole set, for 3 to 4 months, and that is not too much if you want to take care of your skin, like I say. So it's nice. If you want to give it a try, inbox me. Just drop it at the comment section if you would like to get this product, and I will chat you up. I will tell you how you're going to get this product, and shipping is so fast. So drop your comment in the comment section, or tell me if you have heard about the Marykay 3D Age Minimizer product, and let me know in the comment section. So thank you, my lovelies, for watching. Thank you for always coming back to click on my videos. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, drop your comment in the comment section, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed and stay beautiful until I come your way next time. Bye. Hello guys, this is the 3D Age Minimizing, the Marykay 3D Age Minimizing skincare products. Tell me if you're gonna like it. If you like to give it a try, drop a comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you. I use this and you can see my face. If I tell you my age, you won't believe it. So drop your comment in the comment section. It helps to clean your skin, purify your skin, brighten your complexion, and make you look beautiful, make you having that supple, soft skin. So guys, tell me if you love to get this product. I would love to get back to you, and I want you to try this product. You can also get the samples. Tell me if you like to get the samples, and I'll post it to you guys. So take care, stay blessed, and stay beautiful until I come your way next time. Bye.